What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Brooke-Ebonie. I am a licensed esthetician and I upload videos about business, aesthetics, lifestyle, all of that good stuff. If you are here for that, then please go ahead on, check below this video, tap that big red subscribe button. Go ahead on and join the family because I'm uploading everything that you all want to see. Now, I really didn't plan on uploading this video. This is by no means a tutorial, but I said I was going to be uploading every 3 days.
I said what I said. Okay, well, what you said was some bull.
That's what I told myself, but that is not I'm like, let me just go through my phone, find something that I recorded and get the content out there for you guys. So this is by no means a tutorial. This is just me showing y'all me doing some needleless lip fillers. Now, I know there has been a lot of controversy around this service, and I don't care. I took the class, I paid good money for it, and I'm gonna do it. And anyways, it's not illegal. The FDA just issued a warning. This service is not illegal. The FDA only issued a warning. If you go on their website, you will see that they issued a warning about lash extensions. They issued a warning about the little thing where you straighten out the lashes. What's that? Lash lifts. They issued a warning about a lot of stuff. They issued a warning about things that we use on a daily basis that's not even beauty related. So they did not make it illegal because at the end of the day, it's not really, who is it killing? Are people dying behind this? Anywho, that's neither here nor there. I just wanted to upload some content for y'all. Y'all seem to like when I upload these types of videos of me just showing you all doing a service, even though it is not necessarily a tutorial. And y'all, let's talk about some real stuff as estheticians or just spa and beauty professionals if you are in the industry. I took this class, y'all, a year ago. Real talk. Was it a year ago? Yeah, I think it was a year ago because I remember they discounted it because of COVID or whatever. So it was over a year ago, and I have just now started to offer this service. And it is a very lucrative service. I have not found anybody charging less than $150. And what I have found is people that charge way more than $150 just for one session. So I don't know. It was fear. I do know it was fear, y'all. So we cutting that out in 2022. In 2022, we ain't scared. We ain't scared of nothing. Y'all hear me? Even if you scared, then do it scared. Even if you scared, then fake it till you make it. God damn it. Because we will not be sitting around here paying hundreds of dollars and thousands of dollars for classes and then not implementing it, whether it's a service class or whether it's a business class, a funnel course, whatever. If you paid for that, then you need to implement immediately. Soon as you get done with the class, go ahead on, make a wait list. If it's a service that you took, make a wait list, book you some models so that you can practice, get started immediately because I just cannot believe myself. But I'm not going to sit up and just dwell on it. What I'm going to do is from now on, when I start taking these classes and and y'all, when I say I invest in me and I invest in my business, I'm willing to pay. I'm willing to put my money where my mouth is. That's not the issue. The issue is actually implementing what I learned. So we're not doing that anymore. And 2022. So, and as you guys watch this video, please keep in mind, honey, I am an artist and I am sensitive about my shit. No, I'm just playing. Like I said, I just started implementing the service. This is probably like my 5th or 6th person doing this on. I do now feel more confident to where I can record myself. I know I'm probably not doing it the best way or the most perfect way. If you already offer this service, you are already into it, then I'm sure a better way that I can hold my pen or a better way that I can grip the lips. Comment down below and let me know. I am open to constructive criticism. I am open to anything that makes me better. Now, what I'm not going to do is entertain negative comments. I said I probably wasn't even going to say that word in my videos, but anything negative, baby, you would just be blocked. So don't even waste your time. Like, no need in, you know what I'm saying, wasting your time. This is not a tutorial. This is not that. This is not a how-to or any of that. This is just me getting content out there. You know what I'm saying? I know I like to watch this type of stuff. I know esthetician students watch me, people that want to be in the industry. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you just want to, align yourself with the things that you want to do. So I put more of that type of content out. And if you are looking for more business related content, the tips and business related things, don't worry, boo, it's coming. If you have not already, go ahead on and subscribe. I do have a text community as well. If you guys want to join that, the link will be down in the description. I'll be giving out business tips and stuff there. And I will also notify you every time I upload. That way you won't have to worry about the delayed notification that YouTube gives out. Like, really, YouTube, what's the point of hitting the bell if y'all not gonna notify me till 7 hours after somebody upload? Like, they be doing like little giveaway contests and stuff, and I be wanting to win. But if it's a popular YouTuber, 9 times out of 10, the question's been answered within 2 or 3 minutes of the video dropping. I didn't get the notification, but I still be answering the questions though, y'all. Like, I'm gonna go on and shoot my shot. But yeah, you guys, this was really like just a chit chat. You know what I'm saying? Watch me do a service type of video. I did notice that I did just hit 70K subscribers. Woo! Thank you guys so much for that. We are coming up on the end of the video. If you are still here, then comment Spot Hustler down below. Let me know. And I thank you guys oh so much. If I don't upload before the new year, Happy New Year. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.